All right, it's Josh, AKA Yoshi with MCN. We are here at Lost Island for Fire Runner. 1,900 feet of track, 3 inversions. It's your boy. We're about to go to the drop zone. The Yoshi way. Let's get it. This park is absolutely beautiful. For a park to have opened up in 2022, it is absolutely amazing. Thank you guys for allowing me for this opportunity. But right now, let's enjoy the ride. Here we go. Woo! Oh, and we're going upside down. Oh yeah. Woo! That's 1 inversion. There's 2. Oh my God. Woo! Woo! Head top. And there's 3. Woo! 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 Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. The first single rail in the Midwest. Another park that's gonna remain unnamed is gonna have to step it up. That's all I gotta say. Thank you for this opportunity. Lost Island Theme Park and MCN, much love to y'all.